There it is, my other one. See, covered in stuff, rusted to crap. Put loads of WD-40 in there. Just take this bit off if I can. Put this in my vise, put some WD-40 in there yesterday. See how far it goes. Show them my vise, sorry about that. Oh, it's coming. There. Oh. I need a bit of Evercrest. Whatever's in there must be some sort of stiff resin. It's odd. It's moving though. Up and down, up and down. Perfect. Problem about Jersey, everything rusts. It's crazy. Anybody's been to Jersey before? Yeah, it's all done. Shove this back on. Might clean this up with a bit of a wire brush. Done. Also got to give it these slightly longer ones. Same material, aluminium. It's got a pin, twisty pin. Same little clips. It's all good. Do more woodworking.